Look at these three sentences. 我想去日本，我要去日本，我想要去日本. At first, they look very similar, and in English, you might translate all three with the word want. But do they actually mean the same thing? And can you use 想, 要, and 想要interchangeably? Not always. Hi, I'm Ellie, and I'm here to help make Chinese feel clearer and less confusing for beginners. In this video, I'll show you the difference between 想, 要, and 想要, when to use each one, and how to choose the right one in everyday Chinese. First, let's look at 想. This word is often connected to something happening in your mind. It can be a thought, an idea, or something you are thinking about doing. And this is important because 想 doesn't always mean want. It actually has several common meanings. One of the most common ways beginners will use 想 is before a verb. When you put 想 before an action, it can mean that you'd like to do something or you are thinking about doing it. For example, 我想去日本. I'd like to go to Japan. Here, you have the idea or desire to go to Japan, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you've made a firm decision or already booked the trip. You can think of it as I'd like to go or I'm thinking about going. Here are a few more examples. 我想学中文. I'd like to learn Chinese. 我想买新手机. I'd like to buy a new phone. 我想出去走走. I'd like to go out for a walk. So in these sentences, 想 expresses something you feel like doing or have in mind. But there is another important use of 想 you should know. If 想 is followed by a person, it can have a completely different meaning. For example, 我想你, I miss you. Here, 想 does not mean want. It means to miss someone or to think about someone. And in this kind of sentence, you can't simply replace 想 with 要 or 想要 because the meaning would change completely. So even though 想, 要, and 想要can sometimes all be related to want in English, they don't always work the same way. Their meaning depends on how they are used in the sentence. Now, let's look at 要. 要 often expresses something more definite, something necessary, or something that's about to happen. And compared with 想, 要has a wider range of meanings. Let's start with the meaning that's easiest to compare with 想. When you use 要 before an action, it can show a more definite intention or decision. For example, compare these two sentences. 我想去日本. I'd like to go to Japan. And 我要去日本. I'm going to Japan. The first sentence with 想 sounds more like an idea, wish, or something you are considering. But with 要, you usually sound more decided. Maybe you've already made the decision or you're more certain that this is what you're going to do. So, a useful shortcut is to think of 想 as softer or less definite and 要 as more definite. But be careful here. That doesn't mean 要 is always extremely strong, like I absolutely have to do this and nobody can stop me. That would be an exaggeration. It simply means that 要 often sounds more definite than 想. Another very common use of 要 is when you are choosing, asking for, or ordering something. For example, 我要一杯水. I'd like a glass of water. Here, 要 can be understood as something like I want this, I'll have this, or I like this. You'll hear 要 all the time in restaurants, shops, and other situations where someone is making a choice. For example, if someone asks what you want to order, you might say 我要这个, I'll have this one. Now, because 要 is more direct, some English-speaking learners worry that it sounds rude. But direct doesn't automatically mean rude in Chinese. In situations like ordering food or choosing something, using 要 is completely normal. Your tone, the situation, and the way you say the sentence also matter. A friendly tone can make a direct sentence sound perfectly natural and polite. Now, 要 can also mean need to or have to. For example, 你要在9点前到. You need to arrive before 9. Here, 要 isn't about wanting something. It expresses something that is necessary or expected. You can also say 你要早点睡. You need to go to bed earlier. or 你要做作业 you need to do your homework. So depending on the situation, 要 can mean need to or have to. And there is one more very useful meaning of 要. You can use 要了 when something is about to happen. For example, 要下雨了 it's going to rain. Here, 要 doesn't mean won't at all. It tells us that something is going to happen very soon. Maybe you can see dark clouds and it looks like rain is coming. So when you see the pattern 要了, think of something that is just about to happen. And this is an important difference because you cannot simply replace 要 with 想 or 想要 here. Let's quickly review the main uses of 要 we've just covered. 要 can express a more definite intention. It can be used when you are wanting, choosing, or ordering something. It can mean that you need or have to do something, and it can also show that something is about to happen. So just like 想, 要 cannot always be translated with one English word. Its meaning depends on how it's being used in the sentence. Now let's move on to 想要. 想要 usually means to want or would like to have something. It puts more focus on what you want to get, have, or do. A very common pattern is 想要 followed by a noun. For example, 我想要一杯水 I like a glass of water. You can also say 我想要这个 I want this one. Or 我想要一台新电脑 I want a new computer. Now compare these two sentences. 我要一杯水 I'll have a glass of water. And 我想要一杯水 I'd like a glass of water. Both are completely possible. With 要, the sentence sounds more direct and definite. You are simply stating your choice or what you want. With 想要, there is a little more focus on your desire or preference, what you would like to have. But don't think of 想要 as polite and 要 as impolite. That's not how Chinese works. Whether something sounds polite depends on many other things, including your tone, the situation, who you are speaking to, and whether you use expressions like 请, 麻烦, or 可以吗? So 要 can also sound completely natural and polite in the right situation. Now, 想要 can also be followed by an action. For example, 我想要去日本 I want to go to Japan. This sentence is possible and it clearly expresses that going to Japan is something you want. But in many everyday situations, Chinese speakers would simply say, 我想去日本 I'd like to go to Japan. It's shorter, simpler, and often more natural. So if you want to say, I want to do something, you don't need to automatically translate want to as 想要 every time. In many everyday situations, 想 followed by a verb is all you need. A useful way to remember 想要 is that it often focuses on something you want to have or something you really want to do. And when you are talking about a thing, 想要 is very commonly followed by a noun. Alright, today we looked at the difference between 想要 and 想要 and how each one can express a different kind of meaning depending on the situation. Now it's quiz time. Let's see if you can choose the right one. Imagine your friend hasn't been drinking enough water and you want to give them some advice. You want to say you need to drink more water. Complete the sentence. 你多喝水 A. 想 B. 要 C. 想要 Which one would you choose? Write A, B, or C in the comments. And if this lesson helped make 想要 and 想要 a little clearer, give the video a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Chinese lessons. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. 我们下次见。